everybody, it's day 79 and just left our tent site at the shelter and hitting the trail again. Got an early start this morning. I think it's supposed to get up to like 91 today, and we've got some big climbs to do, so I'm hoping to get these big climbs knocked out before it gets too hot. It's like super windy all of a sudden, but yeah, I slept so good with my new quilt. Last night was the first night using my new Jackson Better 40-degree quilt, and I just slept amazing. So I'm really glad that I went ahead and just dropped the money for it and got me a new quilt. So yeah, definitely worth it. I think we're gonna have some views and maybe some swimming today, hopefully, and maybe also some rain. Dude, this wind, I don't even know if you can hear anything. The wind is insane. Hello? Is it about to storm right now? But yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted along the way. Rainy view from Fuller's Rock. There's the bridge down there that we crossed yesterday. Blackberries starting to ripen. Beautiful rainy view. Clouds are pretty cool though. This is the exact spot Little Audie Klein Powell's body was found April 5th, 1891, after straying from Tower Hill Schoolhouse November 9th. Distance of 7 miles, age 4 years and 11 months. It's crazy. View from the top of Bluff Mountain. Clouds are very moody today. Guys, we made it to Mount 800! Woo-woo! It's also raining, but that's okay. Little toad boy. He's running in the rain, I'm sure. He's so cute. So bouncy. Oh my god. I hate it. Ooh, look at this spider web. Pretty. You can't even see it on camera. Pretty. So it's the end of day 79, I think, and today's been a really great day. It's been an exciting day. We hit mile 800, and we got a super early start this morning. We thought it was going to be super hot because that's what was forecasted, but it ended up thunderstorming for the better part of the day. And oops, sorry. So the thunderstorms are great to keep the temps down, but my feet are not good right now. I don't think it's trench foot. I really think it's just athlete's foot, and I have some antifungal medicine, so I'm putting that on there, but my toes were super swollen when I got to camp today. So I'm elevating them right now and just going to try to keep them elevated and try to get some of that swelling down. But I actually kind of enjoyed hiking in the rain. I just wish my feet weren't such an issue with it. But yeah, so we're here at the Brown Mountain Creek shelter and have a super cute camp spot right on the creek. So I'll try to insert a clip of that. And yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We had some nice views here and there along the way. It ended up being like a pretty long day, like an 18-mile day or so. But still made great time. We made it to camp pretty early. Tomorrow, I think we're going to do kind of a shorter day, like a 13-miler, just to kind of chill out because we're in no rush right now. So yeah, be sure to check back again tomorrow for that. Talk to you guys later.